Understanding and influencing water stress, a global concern. In this world of plenty, many are deprived of life's most essential resource, water. Water stress is real, it's happening. Picture a child in Africa, thirst in her eyes, walking miles for a sip. Can you feel her plight? That's water stress in action. Now imagine turning on your tap and nothing flows out. Scary, isn't it? This fear is a reality for many, and it's creeping closer. Water isn't just for drinking. It's key to hygiene, agriculture, and industry. Water stress cripples economies, it ruins lives and livelihoods. But we can make a difference. By conserving, reusing and recycling water, every drop saved can quench a parched throat, water a withering crop. Let's be the change, beginning with our daily habits. Shorter showers, fixing leaks, mindful consumption. These small steps can make a big difference. Join the fight against water stress. Because every drop counts, and so does your voice. Spread the word, influence the world. Together, we can make water stress a thing of the past.